Hello everyone, today we're going to start a new lecture in biology, which is the unit 6th from class 9th biology book, Federal Board National Book Foundation. So let's start with the definition of enzymes. So enzymes are biological catalysts which are made up of proteins. This means that the composition of enzymes is made up of proteins. Now, what do enzymes do? They speed up the rate of biochemical reactions without being consumed in the process. Now, almost all reactions in the living cells are enzyme controlled. Enzymes lower the activation energy required for reactions, making them faster and efficient. So, in this paragraph, we learned that enzymes are the biological catalyst. They speed up the rate of the biochemical reactions, and their composition is made up of proteins. Now, what if we make this a little bit easier? So, in short, enzymes are tiny helpers inside our body that speed up the chemical reactions. You can think of them like scissors, keys, or even machines. The scissors cut the paper faster, a key opens only one lock, and machines in a factory make the work faster. Now, without enzymes, the reactions in our body would be too slow for life. An example is when you eat bread, an enzyme called amylase in your saliva starts breaking starch into sugar right onto your mouth. Thank you. The characteristics of enzymes, they are protein in nature except ribozymes, which are RNA enzymes. Highly specific in their action, they work in small amounts, they speed up the reactions by lowering the activation energy, they are not consumed in the reaction, they are sensitive to temperature and the pH value, and they can be reused multiple times. The mechanism of enzyme action. Enzymes work on the lock and key principle as I explained in the previous lectures. The enzymes has an active site where the substrate fits perfectly like a key fits into a lock. After forming an enzyme substrate complex, the reaction takes place and the product is released. Another model is the induced fit model where the enzyme slightly changes its shape to fit the substrate more effectively. The types of enzymes. We have six types of enzymes. Oxidoreductases. It catalyzes oxidation reduction reactions. Then we have transferases. It transfers functional groups from one molecule to another. Then we have hydrolases. It catalyzes hydrolysis reactions, breaking them with water. Then we have lyases. It breaks the bonds without water. Then we have isomerases. They rearrange the atoms within the molecules. And ligases. They join two molecules together using ATP, which is the energy currency, also known as the adenosine triphosphate. The importance of enzymes, they are essential for digestion for amylase, lipase, and protease. They are used in respiration, oxidases, and they help in photosynthesis, which is rubisco. They are used in the industry of brewing, cheese making, and biofuels. And in medicine, they are used in diagnostic tests, drugs, and treatments.